Hey, how's it going? If you have a GoPro Media Mod and you've ever had to change a battery on trail, you know about the really irritating design flaw. But I found 3 solutions on YouTube that I'm going to share with you. One of them involves a hacksaw. So stick around till the end. We'll have a couple surprise guests and a bonus 4th solution. And I think I will pass on that. So if you're not familiar with the Media Mod, this is what it looks like when it's attached to the camera. So let's say you want to do something really crazy, like change your battery. Oh no, my battery just died. Now I have to change it. So to change your battery with the Media Mod, you have to completely disassemble your setup. So you're going to unscrew this. Doesn't give you a lot of room there. Take it apart, fold in the fingers, open the door, slide your camera out, and then reassemble. Fingers back down. So our first solution comes from a channel called Papa Got a GoPro. It's kind of a do-it-yourself project. Involves a little bit of metalworking, neither of which I'm very good at. But basically, you take a little slab of aluminum and you attach your regular GoPro mount to the bottom, bend it, and attach a cold shoe mount. So what's going to happen is you're going to use your side cold shoe mount here, and that's going to attach to your GoPro. So when it's time to change your battery, just take it off the cold shoe mount. Okay, our second solution involves a hacksaw. Pretty radical and permanent solution. It's the one that I don't think I'm going to be trying anytime soon. So basically what you're going to be doing is you've got your GoPro Media Mod. You're going to break off this door. You're going to take your hacksaw and you can leave it the way it is, like that. But this bottom part here, you have to cut this part out. So I can make a cut about right there. Or cut this part out here. And that way your GoPro is going to slide right in and out. One of my concerns with that is there's nothing holding it into the Media Mod itself, except for friction. So I'm afraid of my GoPro sliding out when I'm on trail somewhere, especially if you're doing more active sports like mountain biking or climbing. So our third solution comes to us from a company called Little Engineering, and it's basically a finger attachment that will attach to the bottom of your GoPro. And yes, that is a bike ramp behind me. So basically what you're going to do is just attach it to the bottom of the Media Mod. Like that. Leave room here for your heat traps. And there's actually 4 screws. Don't know where these 2 went. They're probably in my bag here. So I've got to find those. And all you need to do is tighten this up not too tight. But then, this is the tricky part. Just open your door. This takes a little bit of getting used to. Because you have to open your door and get your thumb in there. Pull down on the latch, slide it open, and your media mod, your camera just slides right up. Change your battery, slides right back in. And if it's a little tight and it's hard to get the camera out, that just means you've tightened it up a little bit too much. So there are a couple drawbacks to this. First one, obviously, is you can lose your screws. I know I've got a screw loose, but not two of them. The other drawback, as you saw, it's a little bit tricky getting the door open if you have clumsy fingers like I do. Now they do make a version for the 1/4" thread. So once I find my screws, I'm just going to keep this attached to the media mod. So I was super excited when I saw this. I figured it's going to be the best solution to my battery changing problem. And so far I think I'm right. I'm really liking this. No hacksaw required. So full disclosure, I did take part in a promotion and got this at a 50% discount. But again, like all my reviews, like I say, they're unsolicited, unsponsored, uncompensated, uninformed, unwarranted, and uncalled for. Two. And 3 more. Hey, how's it going? Okay, so I promised you a bonus 4th solution, which actually doesn't even involve the media mod. All you really need is a GoPro frame with a section to hold the GoPro microphone adapter. Does make your setup a little bit more awkward, but again, you solve all these problems. So if you're like me and you take way more video than you'll ever use, you're going to end up changing your battery 2 or 3 times or more when you're out on trail. It's pretty irritating.